Alright, in this video I'll show you two things. One, and both the things are very ordinary. This is my way of doing it. Other people are doing it some other way. You know, in open source you can do one simple thing in zillions way. So this is my way of doing it. Um, so First thing, I would like to show you how I update my Slackware. I'm sitting on Slackware current, and how to update the system. And second, I'll show you how to enlist the installed package in Slackware with some one-liner, ordinary simple one-liner, which might help you to get the things. Okay, so without further ado, so let me show you how I do that. If I do, I wrote a small script which probably there in GitHub. You can check it out. Um, I'll show you the script content. It's very rudimentary. I make things that are what I'm doing. Just sudo, and if I do this, so okay, so it is not founding the binary. So I have to be root. Then if I run, let me clear the screen, and if I run update system, it will go. So it will, and I just recently did it. Um, so there is nothing change in the main changelog text file. Okay, so it doesn't do anything, right? If I say yes, it will bring down all the stuff from the mirrors I have uh, enlisted in Slackware conf file. While running the update, it will bring down all the information from that mirrors, and then it will update. I recently updated it yesterday probably. That's why it doesn't show anything. Okay, so let me show you how that stuff look like. User local it's just two command. Basically I just put some sort of syntactic sugar in it, or just this script available in GitHub. You can check it out. And these are the all sugar candy, all eye candy stuff, just to get. And I check the root file system if there is enough space for the update. If it is not, it will abort. As simple as that. The meat of the script is this: just to run two commands, slackware update and slackware upgrade all. Simple. You can hand type all those on the command line. I don't want to do, that's why I put it in a script. As simple as that. Then I check it with whether the command written successfully or not. According to that, I pop up a message for that. Simple, nothing more complicated. It's supposed to be there in GitHub also. Okay, it's just a two command. If you forget about all this line, it's just to slackware update and slackware update. It's known to everyone whoever is running this, but I'm bringing this because I did it automated way. That's why I'll bring it up. So the next thing, let me again go to the root, otherwise it will not find the binary properly. And I want to show you the installed script. Whatever the package I have installed in the system, I wrote a one-liner one fine day because I wanted to see whatever the package installed in my system. So, and I couldn't find the answer properly, so I wrote it myself. And all I did, I just go ahead and if you go to the Slackware wiki page, somebody has already done this kind of stuff, very well done. So I thought, so I added another header saying another way of find out the install package. Then I added that simple one-liner here. If you go to the Slackware wiki, and it will look like this, the outcome. If I run this here, what is the name? See, it will fetch out all the package installed in the system and enlist it like this. See that, look at this output, the similar thing it is producing here. So once I figure it out, I just approach it and to this wiki maintainer, and they are kind enough, they included it as another option to enlist the package whatever in your system have. Okay, so I thought this I should bring it up to you. If you are curious enough or running Slackware or wanted to install or do something like this, you can take help out of this. Okay, I hope this will be useful to somebody. Thanks for watching.